Hello everyone, it's Amanda from Crystal Coast Originals. Thank you so much for joining me today. So the painting you're going to see in the video today, I am really loving the background color. I saw this color on a pillow. I think it was on Pinterest, and I thought it was so pretty. And it was one of those colors where you look at it and you couldn't tell what the dominant color was. It was kind of an orangey pink color, and you couldn't really tell if there was more orange or more pink. It was just a really pretty color. So that's what I wanted to do today for this Dutch pour. And this is the background color. I'm loving it. It's so pretty and it's so saturated. It's just a really pretty color. Now for the blow colors right here, all I did was white and gold. I didn't want to do too much to take away from this really pretty pinkish corally orangey color. So I wanted to do something kind of simple with the blowout. So that is that one. It is a 12 by 24 inch canvas, and the colors that I use will be listed in the description box, but I do not have the exact ratios that I used when I was making this background color. Basically, I was just mixing a little bit of orange, a little bit of pink, a little bit of white, and I kept kind of mixing and changing it up until I got the color I wanted. So I did not keep record of exactly how much color of each I put in there, but I will list the colors that I used to mix in the description box. And as usual, the formula that I used will be there as well. This painting is for sale in my Etsy shop. If you guys are interested, I will leave a link in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.